Guys, meet my new face right here. Hello. And the guy there is my subscriber right there. So I didn't know he's my subscriber. He just met me here, and this is so amazing, man, to see. Right now we are here to see the sardines. So we're gonna go right under the water right here and show you more sardines right here. Getting to a beach in the Philippines is a complete hassle, guys. I'm in a minivan. I'm in Moalboal. This is the Philippines flag right here. So right now I'm being registered. I'm gonna have a pass. So ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Panasama Beach. One more time. Bye bye. So I'm here with my buddy today, Melo. He's gonna be touring me around and he's gonna be coaching me some diving right here in Cebu City.
Yep.
So no, we are actually in what's the name of this place? Moalboal.
Panasama.
We are actually in Moalboal, Panasama Beach right now. So it's time to go and experience this beautiful water right here.
Yeah.
Wow.
Good feel.
Yeah.
Nice to see you. You enjoying?
Yeah, I'm enjoying here, man. It's my first time here.
Oh yeah.
You been here before?
Yeah, a few times before we got married and getting ready to retire now. So we bought a little house, but we're looking at Gwinson up the road here.
I mean, I don't know anywhere here, man. It's my first time in this place.
Same coast, just up north.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
That'll be nice, man.
How long are you here for?
I'm here in Cebu for a week.
Yeah.
But I'll be going back to Manila tomorrow.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, man.
Welcome
Enjoy,
to the
man.
Philippines.
Thank you. So you're gonna swim right now? Okay. Can I see you? Wow. 1, 2, go! Woo! Paano mo nasabi? Yeah, when we play basketball, like, paano mo nasabi? I used to be a commentator. Mabuhay! Mabuhay! What's that, bro? Hey guys, I have a lot of sardines right under here, guys. A lot of sardines.
You a vlogger, bro?
Yeah, I'm a vlogger.
What's your YouTube channel?
Travel with success.
I will subscribe.
Okay, thank you. Travel with _ success. Yeah. Hey, come here. Yeah. shout out to Jim right there, my subscriber. He just met me on the beach right here. And I got new friends here, new subscribers right here. It's nice meeting you guys, man. So we're here on this beautiful beach, Panasama Beach right here. So look at the water, crystal clear water right here, blue water. And we just chilling on this boat right here. Welcome to Panasama Beach! What a beautiful day right here in Panasama Beach. So where are you guys from?
Cebu City.
Oh, Cebu City. I'm actually in Cebu City too. Where in Cebu City? I'm staying in Express Inn, just near E Mall. It's just beside the E Mall. Yeah.
You stay in E Mall? Beside the E Mall?
Yeah, beside E Mall, Express Inn.
Beside Landa?
Yeah, I think so. So all of you guys came from Cebu today? Oh.
Money on beach in the Philippines is not that easy, but this beach right here is a free beach.
I can believe this is a free beach, guys. Yeah. I wanna come here every time. Yeah, I should.
And then you bring one happy. Yeah, my first time in Cebu. No.
Right now we are here to this new location. Hi, Mabuhay! Welcome to the Philippines. Right now we're gonna see the turtle. We came here to see the turtle. Yes. Yeah, so that was an amazing one there, swimming with the turtles, and come and check out the water here. The water is so beautiful, crystal clear. And one good news I have for you, this beach is absolutely free, guys. And it is pretty much easy to come to this beach. Like, you just need to fill out a few papers and, pay like 25 pesos, guys.
Panagsama Beach. Panagsama Beach.
And some of you may be wondering how to come here. This is Panasama Beach right in Moalboal right here. So it is about 3 to 4 hours drive from Cebu City. So I took almost about 5 hours because the bus dropped me off another place. I had to commute to get to the beach using 2 mini cab and 1 motorcycle to get to the beach right here. So and another cool thing about this beach is that every time you come here, you have a guy. So I'm paying like 400 pesos to guide me. So make sure to check him out if you come here. What's your name?
Nello.
Nello. Make sure to check Nello out if you come here on Panasama Beach so that he will give you a good service. One thing about this beach, guys, there is a lot of rocks, guys. There are a lot of rocks within the water, guys. Yeah, and my feet are hurting right now. Yeah. Hi. Hi. Hello. Travel with success. Travel with success. Travel with _ success.
Okay, I'm gonna start you.
Nice. You gonna dive now?
Video, okay?
Okay, sure.
Hi.
Yeah, I'm gonna put you in the video. You know that?
Yeah.
Okay, nice meeting you. What's your name again?
Yaniza.
Sorry?
Yan.
Yeah?
Yan.
Nice meeting you, yeah. How many times you've been coming here to this beach? It's your first time?
Here in Panagsama because last year we went Basdak.
Okay, yeah, it's my first time here in Panasama too. It's actually beautiful here, but there are a lot of rocks under there, so you gotta be careful. Yeah.
Enjoy. Bye.
Bye. And guys, that's it for today. And once again, it's your boss. So just before you go, make sure to hit that subscribe button for your boy and stay tuned as I tour you around the Philippines. With that being said, guys, I catch you guys in the next one, and let's get lost in the next one. See you guys. Peace.